Hi yogis! Hi, here's Didi from Yoga Fitter and Stronger Forever. Okay, so what's the situation? No vaccine, more cases, and then the reassurance that even if you get the virus, you are not unlikely to get reinfected. Okay, so that you will not, I include myself, we will not be able to get some antibodies. So that's why it's very important that we all start fighting against this virus actively. So, how are you today? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling stressed? Are you feeling exhausted? Are you feeling depressed? Are you feeling scared? So I'm going to talk to you today about a type of individual that you have probably encountered in your life, or maybe it was a few weeks ago, or maybe it was last week, or maybe it will be in the near future. Believe it or not, it will definitely happen to you, okay? And it's probably around you. You don't you don't know yet, but trust me, after you watch this video, you're gonna find out what a victimizer is. So stay with us. Okay, so a victimizer is basically a person that had suffered, okay? He has or she has, I'm going to talk in the masculine pronoun, but it could be also a she. So he has maybe lost his job, he has probably lost his house, maybe he has also lost his family, and he's suffering. Okay, and he has some wounds inside and he doesn't know exactly how to deal with it. But believe it or not, unconsciously he has a big plan, and the big plan is to compensate, okay, to make somebody pay for it, or to make somebody listen to his wounds. And so then imagining that maybe God will hear him and they will swap the role and he will be free and happy. So this is a type of individual that will also have the need to talk about it for hours and hours, okay? So you will probably let's say, so what happens is we feel very sorry for them, but they have rules, okay? So if you can comply with all their rules, you will be his friend. But if you cannot comply, it will make your life more difficult, okay, and harder until you really want to listen to him and do what he wants you to do. Okay, so I have to say I have encountered this kind of individual, and they're very suffering. They think that the sky is against them, and that they haven't deserved what happened to them. And so the problem is that in some ways, okay, they are not eating healthy, okay, they find comfort in food, so eating loads of sugar, maybe drinking as well, okay. And so what happens is that they don't want to heal. So now I want to talk to you guys, and I want to tell you, if you happen to know somebody like this, okay, just remember those few words. So please tell him or tell her that they are not alone. They are not alone, and there is no miracle, okay? At the moment where this individual, the victimizer, okay, that's why we call him, the victimizer is starting to understand that by taking action, by taking responsibility for his life, okay, he will get better. So there is one way, okay, there's two ways to see the world, okay, and to really start feeling happy, re-energized, and free. It's to, let's say, stop feeling sorry for yourself, stop feeling like a victim, and start moving. So, of course, okay, this individual will have to decide if he wants to get better or if he wants to get worse. Okay, so that was the speech for the day. Okay, I'm not gonna go any further. So at the end of the day, everybody makes his own decision. Okay, I'm not here to force anybody to get better, to see the life differently. So to finish, I'm going to invite you for a 3-minute sun salutation yoga, okay, for all levels. So it's for beginners, but you can join us. We also have advanced level. So if you want to come, it's a free class. It's going to be your first yoga class, completely free, and now on the mat. So come with me, join me on the mat. All right? So usually we do it outdoors, but because we are together, okay, chatting online, so here is your free class. So let's come onto the top of the mat with the feet parallel to each other. Keep a distance apart, really feel the feet underneath you, supporting you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a deep breath out through the mouth. Lovely, another one here. Inhale. And then slowly bring the arms up to the sky, feeling the energy coming into your body, surrounding you. Make you feel so happy. And then exhale, full forward, drop the head down. Lovely. And then inhale, step the right foot back. So right foot back and the left foot back here. Coming onto plank pose. If it's too much, come onto your knees. Take a deep breath in here, coming onto all four. Here. In and out. Okay? Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. So mini cat-cat. Okay? From there, as you inhale, step the right foot forward and the left foot forward. Drop the head down. Exhale, release. Press the feet down to the earth. Spread the big toes. The outer edges of the feet, the inner edges of the feet. Relax. And then slowly readjusting the spine, coming up. Breathe in and out. Hands to your heart. Inhale, bend the knees. Slowly coming up. Exhale, we go. Step the left foot back and the right foot back. Come onto plank pose. And then we stay 3. Option to come onto your knees. 2. 1. And then slowly coming back down. Hips, chest, chin, sliding forward. Inhale, 10 toes to the ground. Lift. Exhale, stretch back to downward facing dog. Lovely. Inhale, lift the left foot up to the sky. Okay, just an option. You can bring the foot down and then step the left foot between the hands. Right foot in. Meet the left foot. Exhale. Inhale, bend the knees. Slide your arms up to the clouds. Exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, so I hope you a good day. Don't stress too much. Don't eat too much. I was going to say don't drink too much. Don't drink too much. Okay? And everything will be all right. Namaste.